Now we're going to create the window schedule. So I'm going to go to the View tab, Schedules, Schedule and Quantities. Of course, I'm going to save. And I'm going to go all the way to the bottom of this list and click on Windows and say OK. Now, fields. I've got to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got to put in 6 fields. The first one is going to be type mark. So I can just scroll down or I'll type, ooh. Huh, that's interesting. I'm going to cancel this. I'll restart my schedules. It's this. I'll go down to Windows. I'll say OK. And now, there we go. I'll go down here and I'll get type mark. And I'll double click on that. And that goes in first. Next thing is count. Third is family. Fourth is construction type. And we have width. And last is height. And then I'm going to come across, and actually I'm going to kind of make a mistake here on purpose to show you how to fix the problem. And what I'll do here is I'll just say OK. So what you're going to see is that we have type mark, we have multiple 13s, a 19, and a 21 here. And it makes for a pretty long list. And don't forget, I also have this space in here. I want to change this. And what I need to do is make a change to the window schedule. Now, how I do that is I go into the properties browser, and right here is sorting and grouping. I'm going to say edit. And I'm going to click here, and I'm going to sort these by type mark. And I'm also going to go down, and where it says itemize every instance, I'm going to deselect that too. Then on appearance, I'm going to turn off the blank row before data, and I'm going to say OK. And that takes our list from 9 items long down to just 3 items. And this helps us when we're doing the actual window schedule and door schedule. That's all going to go on one sheet. So we want to try to conserve space as much as possible. Now, I'm going to go to construction type right here, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to type in the word double paned. Okay, and then I'll click down here, and it says, do we want to change this? And I'm going to say OK to that. And now the advantage is that I can add this note without retyping it each and every time. So that fills out my window schedule. All right, now I need to go back to view, and just so we can see this, I'm going to go to tile, and I'll drag this guy over here a little bit, and I'll bring this over so that I can see things here. And none of our windows are what are called tagged. So I'm going to go to my floor plan. So I need to change to the floor plan on here. So back to architecture, and hold on. So I've been messing around with this so my windows are reversed, but they're all the same. Nothing's changed on them. What I need to do is I need to go over to my floor plan, and I'm just going to enlarge this up. And then I'm going to go to annotate, and I'm going to select tag all. And I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to hit window tags, and I'm going to select apply, and then say OK. And what you'll see is that wherever I have a window, now I have a little tag next to it, 13 and 21 and such as that. So if I go back to my view and I tile again, you'll see that window number 21, type marker 8 here. There's two of them, by the way, in that bedroom only. It's a 4 foot by 3 foot window. So that is how you do the window tags.